parents. I'm going to tell you how to get to the Growing Together site. Here we go. growingtogetherchurch.org. You're going to want to come down here to log in. Just hover over it. You'll see these names come up. You want to hover over Student Quarter 2 2020, or you can just click on this window, Students. Here you'll see the screen. The username is GT, which stands for Growing Together 2020 #2. The password is Sabbath, all lowercase. Click Login. Here you'll have your student lessons. You click over, let's just say we're going to click into primary. You'll have two different selections. One of them is more user or printer friendly. That's why you see the lesson PDF. So go ahead and look at both of them if you want, but let's open the flipbook. This is your quarterly. Here's the first page. You just start scrolling through. Some fun activities in the beginning. And then here you'll see you start your weekly lesson assignments to do as a family. This was the Humble King, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend. And here we have the lessons that you will start with your kids for this coming week, starting Monday. And of course, this second page of that, and then on and on. So there you go. That's how you get into your kids, your child's quarterly. I back up, and you can see that there are quarterlies for all of our Sabbath School classes that are offered. Beginner is Cradle Tots. We have not begun that yet. We will soon. But you see we have kindergarten, primary, juniors, teens, and of course our parent discipler class. Back out of that, back out. Just going to back out again. If you want to go into see what the teachers are teaching, you can just go ahead and go into that, and it's going to be the same username, same password. And this is what your teachers are seeing. We've been doing the primary lesson because it's the middle of the road since we're doing it all together. So this is where I go to get all of the lessons. This is where we go to get handouts. This is where the field notes are. And if you want to see all the posters that go along with the lesson, that is there. So go ahead and digest. Have fun with the website. Enjoy, and we pray you'll be joining us tomorrow. All right. Happy Sabbath.